Alright, this is the video for speed versus velocity practice. So if you're watching this, you're probably absent, and I will show you how to solve number 2. The rest you'll do on your own. So number 2, two cars are traveling on a desert road between 3 consecutive poles as shown in the figure. After 5.40 seconds, the two cars A and B, they're side by side at the next telephone pole. The distance between the poles is 71.3 meters. Question asks, what is the speed of car A? What is the speed of car B? So to get started, let's analyze what's going on in this problem. I see that the distance between poles is a total of 71.3 meters here and here. And initially, the car A is here, car B is here. After 5.4 seconds, the two cars are side by side. So car B after 5.4 seconds has traveled this distance. Car A after 5.4 seconds has traveled this distance. So the speed of car A, it is simple. It is speed equals the distance traveled by car A over time. Car A travels 71.3 meters in 5.40 seconds. You can do the math on that. Please include the units in meters per second. The speed of car B, speed is equal to the distance traveled by car B over time. Car B travels 2 times the distance of car A in the same amount of time. So that's going to be 71.3 times 2 divided by 5.40. Do that math, include units, meters per second. Should be an easy practice. Be careful when I'm asking for average speed, average velocity, include all units. And thank you for watching this video and study well.